Hello everyone, welcome back to our program Thoughts on Education. We at College Dunia are trying to enrich user experience in regard to which we have introduced a column for guest interview with the esteemed dignitaries under the initiative. Today we have HOD of Marketing Department of Prestige Institute Indore. Welcome to our show, sir.
Thanks indeed. It's my pleasure to interact and converse with you. Especially, I express my gratitude to the collegedunia.com inviting me and providing me opportunity to connect with the students and the all associated intellectuals who wanted to know something about the education world. Thanks indeed.
Thank you, sir. It's our pleasure. Sir, my first question is that, sir, being the HOT department at Prestige College, what is your philosophy of leadership? And sir, in simple words, if I say, what according to you the leadership means?
Leadership, I'll just give you here in brief. Reason being that laymen must understand who is leader. According to me and whatever I learned so far, right is that leader is a person who leads from the front, and those who can lead from the front, not only but also they are leader in every sense. Every sense you can understand that. If suppose you are in my team and you are in trouble, so it's my duty not only just to try to find out the solutions for your problem, but also that what are the root cause of this problem. And if the root cause is identified, and then definitely not only I would be able to solve your problem today, but also in future these type of the problem will never emerge. So leader actually goes deep inside, and inside out analysis they do, and they have a very distinct foresight. These foresight help their follower and their companion with whom they work to achieve the objectives. So leader is always focused, somehow want to integrate the efforts of their team members with whom they work, and their job is to realize the potential, encouraging the members of the team so that they can bring out the best lives with them. And other thing which the leader must do, that they should have certain direction. If you would have heard about the one of the management concept is very famous in objective setting in management, MBO, management by objectives. That was propounded by the Peter Drucker. Peter Drucker talking about this, whenever you set an objective in any organizations, you must ensure the participative decision making. So not only there should be a top-down approach, but we should regard the bottom-up approach. See, if a foreman, if a layman, the person working as a supervisor or on the field level, if they are heard, if they are given chance and opportunity, and every leader must ensure this, that not only the person directly associated with them, but indirectly whoever is associated, they must feel committed. They must feel that it's my organization, it's my victory, it's my defeat, it's my trouble, it's my success. If there are this type of the thinking, and if leader is ensuring the democratic way of working with them, it definitely encourages each and everybody. So ensure encouragement, be inspiration in difficult time, lead from the front, and he must ensure that nobody should be feared around. Everybody should come out with the innovative, creative idea, and these idea, if they come up, then definitely leader automatically can win the race wherever they are. If I ensure that, suppose Karthikeya, you are in my team, so if Karthikeya wanted to do something, if he is not given chance, opportunity, he can't speak before me, if he cannot share his ideas, and if he is fearsome, definitely I am losing one of the opportunities to utilize Karthikeyan for the betterment of this country, society, community, and even in my team at Prestige. So Karthikeyan must be given opportunities, and he must be ensured he will not be penalized. In fact, if this type of the thinking we ensure in every walk of life, in wherever we are, in country, in organizations, in institutions, or in a sports, this thing actually fills the tremendous confidence in within the your team, and this team actually could be a only last resort to win any type of the battle in the life. So I think that the courage, fearlessness, and providing opportunities, realizing the potential of your teammates, and integrating their efforts to bring out the synergistic effect for the betterment of each and everybody. It's a leadership. Modi ji is also talking about this education leadership, innovation, atmanirbharta, independency in every walk, in every sense. And this is the thing that leader actually thinking about 3-4 decades after where would be as an Indian, as a prestige, my students where they should be after 20 years. I am not addressing my student, I am addressing the future entrepreneur, a future manager, future the responsible person, citizens. They may take up any responsibility, they discharge duty honestly. So these are the way. So I am not addressing my student. I am fortunate that they treat themselves as a student. But addressing a responsible person, you give them a sense of responsibility, Karthikeyan, and you give them opportunity. I assure you, and I'm certain, they will come up with amazing results. They have a capability to deliver. But important, you look at the Dhoni, the way the Dhoni in the cricket had done. Look at the, Ganguly prior to that. And before that, when Gavaskar actually led this country in beginning. So each and every leadership emerged, more evolved, developed, and they utilize the environment, they utilize the capability, they utilize the individual for achieving the objectives. And objectives set actually according to decades, according to the environment, according to the time. So nowadays, our objective is different. We are not in 1947 Indians. We are the Indians in 21st century. And we have to come up. It's my responsibility, it's your responsibility that our succeeding generation should feel proud. We should not always talk about the glorious past of the Indians. Now we have to make the future of this country very glorious. And that is possible with our efforts. If each and everybody shoulder responsibility, discharging responsibility. Why everybody wanted to be IAS, IPS, doctor and engineer? There are certain other roles. Businessman, you could be a very good serviceman. You could be an individual who is a leader in organizations and setting records. So, if you are given an opportunity and willfully you are working for the objective, you must feel pride. Even if you are a driver, you should, be feeling very nice in telling that you are a driver. Why you are, hesitant about your role and positions. See, poverty is not a problem. Problem is mindset. And we should come out of this mindset. See, it doesn't mean that we are always using luxurious products of the made in the are made in USA or in some developed countries, Germany, Korea, or somewhere else, or Japan. We must feel proud that whatever we actually procured, developed in this country, we are using, no matter whether they are inexpensive or expensive. Important thing is that we have made this India made product, and we are using. We know that and we are also providing and procuring, taking care of Indian interest, Indian farmers, Indian manufacturers, Indian entrepreneurs. Let us come up forward and motivate them. Let us come forward and provide these type of the environment each and everybody. So I think leadership have many perspectives, but the core which I am telling here, that bring the best out of your followers and ensure everything which I discussed with you.
Sir, I love the way you explained the concept. Sir, the way you say that everyone in the organization should feel connected to the organization. Sir, I deeply feel that way.
Thanks indeed. It's a need of
sir, and you have taught that everyone should feel that they are the leader, although they are the driver. Sir, if the Narendra Modi also have felt that he is he's selling tea on the railway station, that he definitely not have reached that position. Sir, my next question is, how does the circular and prestige college ensure the best practices in the industry?
Yes, Prestige College actually is working on various aspects. Overall development of individual. We have different programs for the undergraduate courses and the postgraduate courses for personality development. For what are the expectations of the industry and organizations from our students? We wanted to give a very finished product that is also thoughtful product and ready to take up any type of the challenges in the market. So we are working on overall personality development and their knowledge and awareness. We have different type of the programs, right from the business contest, uh, how we plan the businesses, as well as the case writing contest, and summer internship project contest. So we focus on communication, uh, your delivery power, your listening skills here, and we have different type of the pedagogy. As usual, the top B schools are adopting, like group discussions, exercises, and even we have some entertainment activities where we actually connect this with the management principles. We organize some events even in festival, not only just for the religious purpose. This is purpose for the managerial purpose. Look at the Janma. You go for a matka food competition. So either a teamwork we ensure. We teach them how to actually work in a team. Likewise, in on various occasions, we have different type of the HR games, personality game, marketing, admit show, and we organize seminars, workshops for students like advertising workshops, personality development activities, and we encourage students for different type of the communication program. Mostly we are focusing on presentations, sharing knowledge with others. We promote and motivate students to participate at the national level and global level. We organize our excursion tour with knowledge for learning purpose. So our students are traveling to abroad, not only for just for the fun and purpose, or suppose traveling purpose enjoyment. Along with this sheer enjoyment, there are something else, like we have negotiations and tie up with the foreign universities, where our students come in contact with them. So we have this type of program. We are also working on this. We are coming up with a grand university project, and there I think our seniors and authority will come up with a detailed plan soon before all of you. And our purpose is to give a very, as I told you in beginning, a very responsible and a skillful individual product and a student who could be an executive or entrepreneur, or I could be a service man, or who could serve the society community. Our vision and mission is also in the same directions. We want to serve the society, and we want to provide a quality product to the markets, and to ensure the quality right from faculty. Everywhere we are working, our faculty has to compulsorily undergo the developmental programs, FDP. Not only we encourage our faculty, and they are participating in top B schools, IIMs, and foreign universities, where they go, they chair the session, they present their papers. Myself presented paper in the New Jersey State University, and Dubai, Maldives, Malay University in SAARC countries, and in other countries. Even in top IIMs, I am Ahmedabad, I am Indore, I am Kozhikode. Purpose is to encourage the interactive sessions and sharing knowledge, developing context, learning what are the new practices accepted and practiced by the different organizations. And we also have a FDP program. Recently, we organized a Gyanubhav program. It was 21 days development program. And first time, you want experience and realize that have you ever seen the program developed combinedly for faculty and students? You would have seen that distinct development program for faculty and students. But this time we try to connect. We invited the practitioners, CEOs, owner of different organizations, and the founders. They come up with a new concept every day. and we surprised the others. We had a 7 to 9 countries participation in just 10 hours after when we actually announced this program online. And our students, faculty, our alumni, everybody connected. So Prestige is also working on Alumni Connect. Alumni actually not only helps you to bridge the gap between industry and your academics, your curricula. Look at the curriculum. Prestige, I think, is the only institution. Every year they revise, they update their syllabus. We take feedback from industry, practitioners, businessmen, and the entrepreneur. And we also take from academician. We take feedback from student time to time, and from alumni. And then we sit together in our governing body, in our board, marketing board, HR board, and finance board. There we seriously look at, because the challenges are different. Challenges are every time coming up before us, and we never wanted to be, lag behind from others. Even I should not name here universities. Many universities are following our syllabus. We were the first who introduced the rural marketing and retail marketing first. We were the first in this region and area. We came up with the digital marketing like concept. And even we are coming up with some certification program. We have here a media lab. We are procuring different type of the videos. So Prestige Media is also functioning. Prestige Law College, we have Prestige Engineering. They are also functioning, excellently. And Prestige Institute itself top ranked amongst the different media surveys of B school surveys conducted by top magazines and newspapers of this country. And we are accredited A grade twice. And again, we are going to have this accreditation soon, I believe, with better recognition, with better marks and honor. So we have, 21 around to 25 activities only in the management course for developmental of the students throughout year. We have, 10 to 15 programs for students. And that's why somebody told me that Prestige is a place is eventful. Every time there is happening something. So the important thing here, you will realize and experience if you visit their friends and you ask them. It's very jovial, very joyful, and students always, engaged in assignments. They are assigned with activities. They learn coordination. They are given, in charge of different committee, even sponsorship committee, how to actually take a lead from the markets and how to connect. There is a coordination committee, organizing committee. There are some transportation reception committee. So students here actually learn everything. What small things comes in organizations where you join or start up your organizations. We have event management courses, even in the undergraduate campus. And we have a mass communication course. And this course itself is good. Our faculties nowadays in different newspapers are writing, contributing some articles, motivating stories and advice in different newspapers like Patrika, Nai Duniya, and Dainik Bhaskar. And that's why, so there is overall development you will see. And environment is very good, especially Prestige is known for research. It's aided. It's a Prestige itself, noun and adjective, Prestige Institute of Management and Research. So not only we are talking about management, but research is the foundation. That's why it comes management and research. And research and innovations are the foundation of any organization, of any country. Recently, in National Education Policy, Indian government that proposed and soon to be adopted by our institutions, UGC. You will see that they are focusing on research and innovations. And if research and innovations we are focusing, definitely we truly be the Atmanirbhar as the Modi ji dreamed and upon all Indians. So Prestige, is working on everything. Overall development, student development, faculty development, staff, they have a vision, they have a mission. They are sincerely, pursuing their dreams. and they are realizing, they take feedback. They do not force from students, from faculty. Management organizes time to time meetings with us, and we are coming up with new courses. We have advertising and public relation. We have marketing management special course. We have different major specialization as usual: marketing, finance, HR, system, entrepreneurship, and production. We also have international business program for import export. So, and even in BBA and law, we have a different version of the law. BCom law, BBA law is specialized, and we have LLM courses. So even moot court facility. So Prestige actually is be a very good library. We subscribe to the database, global database. A click away, the world-class magazine, world-class journal, newspaper. The students can avail this opportunity anytime. So beside the courses material shared in a classroom, the student can also access to the AppSpo-like database and library connect with the other data sources. So for completing their assignments, for learning and connecting what being taught in a classroom, is it really practical? Our classes are very practical, very interactive. And our purpose is just to connect with the applications part of the theory. So not only we teach them theory and concept, we teach them how it can be used. SIP project, summer internship project, and as well as MRP, major research, and small research. So, Prestige is doing a wonderful job, but still we are not satisfied. Each one of us are striving hard for the excellence, and we wanted to see Prestige amongst top 10 in this country. And hopefully, our students and the stakeholders will help us to achieve this objective soon.
Sir, as you have said that there are lots of events in Prestige College, sir, as I have told you that I am also part of Prestige College. I am a student here.
Yeah.
What I actually like about Prestige is that students and teachers are very much connected. Sir, in a Teachers' Day event, there is an event in which teachers have to fancy dress event for teachers. So, sir, this type of events, they are making a type of connection between a student and a teacher. And so this develop a leadership quality in a student.
Yeah, sure. Certainly, I agree with you, Karthikeyan. See, Prestige as a family. And in family, as usual, if you are sitting in your family, there should not be very much formalities. See, wherever is too much formalities, you do not feel connected. I think what happens at family level, we are connected with our parents, with brothers, sisters, siblings. Why? Because there are suitability of leading life, how actually being led. We feel comfort. We want to make our students comfortable. We do not want to have any type of differences. Why there should be differences? We are there to develop them. We wanted to showcase ourselves not only as a teacher, as a parents, as a friend, as a brother and sisters. Our job is to make them a capable person. We want to make them a worthy person. They are qualified. They have chosen this platform for the development, and whatever best we can do for them, we must do. Like parent do for you. The similar job is here. No, the domain is different. Here we have to. The parents always is loving, but we have to adopt all gestures. Sometimes we punish you. There could be a negative motivation. Sometimes we have a positive motivation. So it is needed. It is required to discipline. But I haven't seen any indiscipline in Prestige, and some sort of musty, which we call it's required. It's your age group, and in this age group, there should have been given some scope for them, from room of enjoyment and improvement, because these all are the part of the personality and life. Otherwise, you cannot be the natural and normal. So that's why we always try that we connect with you. Different type of the days we celebrate over there, like sometimes a Rose Day, Teachers' Day is one of the platform, and students' creativity comes up. There are creativity sale best students come up with different types of rangoli, different type of new creations they bring out. Even some art galleries are there. Even we celebrate Garba also over there. So even marketing fest. There are some financial games. We have a stock market we organize there. So what happens when students are in trouble, are in happiness? With whom they will share? They share with their close person, whom they have a trust. They have a trust on their faculty, and faculty have a trust in their students. So if we both are trusting each other, and if we both are confident about each other, if we both are committed for the common goal, why there should be some differences? Of course, there must be some discipline, there must be some respectable gap, but this respectable gap should be only respectable. It should not be actually the untouchability. And our faculty, though there are time, they are engaged in many activities in a daytime beside classes, and that's the good thing. And what I feel, personally, in Prestige, it's been 13-14 years I spent here. I never actually thought of now going somewhere else. Reason being the culture. When we actually come to the institution, and when actually we feel that it's a 6 or 8, sometimes we forget, we didn't know that it's a 8:30 or 7:30 in Prestige. You can understand what I'm telling you. Engagement and meaningful engagement.
Yes.
We are connected. Because so much activities we organize. None of the faculty is unknown to other, and none of the department, even I'm not teaching suppose in the international business or in the finance classes, but their students know me. That's the beauty, because we are connected on different platforms. You can understand these all are the basic things in any organization we wanted to see. If you're coming from South India, coming from Australia or Japan, we are working in any organizations. So we should be connected. This is the one thing. So as you told now that you realize those things. So connection is important thing. And I'm marketing faculty. I believe that customer connect is the solution of many problems.
Yes, sir. Sir, in this difficult time, it might be difficult for the teacher to teach online. It might be new experience to you. So, sir, what all challenges you are facing right now?
There are challenges, but actually we are the marketing guy, and we think differently. See, every challenge in a life brings you some opportunities. And this is a time of, instead of the difficulty, it's a time of opportunity. See, as a marketer, when you actually move out, every time you do not get a quasi situation. Sometimes you have to develop a new market. Sometimes you have to create new customers. So adding new customers. Every time your retained customer cannot actually get the job done for you. So our students and we all are actually in a transition phase. And this transition phase is that first time, not only we, but globally, everybody realized that this platform, online digital platform, is very important and very significant. But I rather feel this is the first time we realize that we can make the use of the idle time. If we are not able to come physically somewhere else, we tested this in time that we can connect to many even person. And we have seen when we organize this 21 days development program that we can connect into any nook and corners of the world with the right person and people. And anytime they can take our class, they can connect, they can deliver lectures and part of the dialogue conversation in meeting with our students. The first beauty. Second challenge actually that is coming is that that some of the students believe that they might be attending classes and they are not that much sincere, but I see differently. I see that you are lucky that you are more comfortable at home, wherever you are, at hostel or home. So you are comfortable, number one thing. Number two, whatever you want to have a breakfast in between or want to have a water in between, and your favorite sofa set, your favorite, the chair, your favorite room, your favorite light, everything what you wanted to have, you have at home. And then, of course, if you have some favorite teacher, those who are taking classes, it would be best. So in any of the gestures, postures, you can attend the classes. But the important thing is that you must be sincere, you must be focused, and you can do simultaneously various things. We are not here restricting you to perform other activities like it happens in a classroom. Here we are letting you to do everything, but be very attentive whatever we are teaching you, and you are saving time. And the second aspects, your transition time, your transportation time is saved if you are coming from far distant places. So this time can be utilized for other purposes. You can read more books. You can have access to the knowledge bank available on Google Internet and on through different browsers. And at a time, you can connect to 60%. Even in classroom, you cannot look big always, other the teachers will object when you're looking big in between class to see your friends. But here you can see everybody on a screen. 60 students or 50 students all of a sudden there. And no indiscipline can work there. At a time, one student can speak. You easily can identify. Their video, their audition system. It is, and nobody can hide what they want to tell. Is ask some question, how they are demanding. So opportunities are also there. Second thing, you can share multiple things at a time. We are sharing screens on different platforms, whether it's a Meet or the Geo or Zoom, other platform up there. So students come to know. And third thing is that not only you share the material, but we are also saving time. We can post our materials, exams, multiple choice question, MCQ, and we can connect anytime with you, even in 2:30. If you have some problem, you post it, and when I have a time, I can answer to you. So, and important thing is that in institution, we can spend 8 hours, 10 hours. But here, no time limit. That is also dangerous for others, those who want to invest some time to their family members. But here is such no time. And we all felt as a faculty, and you would have felt as a student, we are doing more job. We are completing more tasks and assignments rather than as usual. So I think the efficiency is increased. And since each and everybody do not want to while away the best time, we want to make the use of the available time. So all of a sudden, even I have seen my students are matured in just 2-3 months. They are acting and working in a manner that just like a mature person. The students which I wish to see in a 4th semester, I have seen in the 2nd to 3rd semester. So this is the one thing, and maybe that they are very concerned about their career, their future, their parents, their family, and about their education. So we are getting supports. So without support of the student, their parents, family, platform solely capable to make it a success, and it's a grand success. I rather feel that we are interacting more, we are connecting more, and students are not going anywhere because they are at a place they want to be, and they are attending classes. Like suppose if somebody is in a luxurious place or whatever they wish, so they cannot complain. So this is the beauty. Challenges are there. In every system, there are certain loopholes. Connectivity is the issue in some far places, and that we are concerned, but we all are helpless. Many times students actually disconnect in between, but it's not willful, it's not voluntarily they are doing, it's their problem. They wanted to attend class, and that's why they miss something. But we have a recorded session. This recorded session, anytime we can play for them. So this is the one thing. Second thing, that the students are not actually physically interacting. The bliss of interacting physically face-to-face, non-digital, non-screen interaction is very important. It connects. We all are human beings. We all are social creatures, animals. So without connect, I think something is not that much tasty, according to our taste gland. But still, we all try to make the best out of the available conditions and circumstances. I hope that, let us hope, soon we would be meeting. And the experience which we learned from this type of the screen meeting, it would be utilized in other way. Wherever we cannot connect a far place person, we can connect through this. And the lot of activities which we do, physically connecting and working, but it will take some time. You know that this virus is of unpredictable nature. I hope the vaccine will soon come out and each and everybody would be relieved. At least psychological distress would be over. I believe and pray to the God that each and everybody would get soon relief from these type of the psychological traumatic situation for many, and God save each one of us in this situation. So I believe so. Pros and cons are there, but I think that the opportunities are vast rather than the difficulties.
Yes, sir. There are lots of opportunity, and students will also learn that they can use this free time in a different way. We should see opportunity rather than seeing.
This is the best outcome, that they are utilizing their time for other activities. And the most important thing, that you are getting a lot of time spending with your near and dear, your family members, which
Yes.
earlier you didn't have this. And I think you get a chance to understand each other's. Actually, the friendship in difficult times always make your bond more stronger. And I think in family, everybody is closing together, and this closeness, this bond will fructify. And family in India like company and India like country and in other is very important. It's a strong support. It's a strong, emotional and economic both supports family providers. So if family is supporting you, you feel just like the God blessed you and somebody is backing you up, and you feel, very relieved. You can work, freely and without any stress or trouble or burden on your head. So that's the beauty. I think everybody is realizing this.
Sir, my last question is that, sir, in this difficult time, what kind of motivation you want to give to your student? And as we can see that there are less jobs in the market, people are losing jobs. So what kind of one motivation message you want to give to your student?
I'll just tell all of them, don't give in, never give in. See, in life, life is a name of a struggle. No life is easy life, wherever you go, and should not be easy, because otherwise you will stop enjoying the life. There must be some troubles. Actually, they are not troubles. When anything it's tough before you and you don't have solutions, either you are unaware of that. There is one transactional analysis you would have studied. There comes that if there are different quadrants, if something is unknown to you and unknown to others, so these are sometimes we are blind. It doesn't mean there are no solutions. There are solutions. And you have been tested at different times. So you think just like in exam you sit and you have to clear the exam. This is one of the exam which the circumstances and the time has given you. And we have to come out of these exam. This is not a trouble. This is one of the lesson in life we learn. Everybody can learn why COVID came. It's again a negligence. It's again we are dependent on other, and there are the competitions. Blindly to get ahead of others, and here we will have to go for a peace. India is known for peace, peace lover, peace spread the peace messages across the world. And second, third thing, why Indians are least affected is still, I'll say, least affected, whether we are in number two in infection cases. Uh, because what's the percentage of our population? In India, the illiteracy rate is higher, in comparison to the population. But still, we are the main contributor in the innovations and research in other countries. So similar thing we can repeat for us. So I'll say the students that don't give in, everybody, this is a time. This time actually you passed bravely and very confidently. And whatever time is remaining, come out. Be just, careful and responsible. Don't do anything silly. Take care of your health. Take care of your mindset and psychology. Practice yoga and meditation. And spend time happily with your friends, with your family members, and also focused on your future. See, what you learn today in this transition time, difficult time, it will make you more stronger. I am certain, because now you have learned that how to lead the life when the resources are, resource crunch are there, when some facilities are not there, when you are not meeting. It is just like a fast. You are sacrificing something. You learned that you sacrificed, you controlled, you learned the patience, practice the patience. So patience and sacrifice, you felt the love, and all of a sudden you realize that how much your institutions, your working place, your colleague are important. You are missing them, and when you miss out them, it means you are connected with them. So value your relationship, clear, and invest this time for learning purpose. Your hobbies which you never practiced so far, you practice those things. You learn new things, like if you are a music lover, if you can sing, if you can play some guitar and all, you have a practice time. If you are a composer, creative, like poem writing, dialogue writing, or so this is good time. If you wanted to write some books or anything else, it's the right time. And if you wanted to wrestle with your brother, sister at home, and spending time for the other purposes, cutting jokes with your parents, and learning many things, listening to their stories of a life, their struggles, and this is a superb time. Make it superb. What we learn in management, that even nothing is bad, nothing is worst. You must have an capability to make the best out of the worst. So if the God will give you the best, what you will do instead? So don't give in. It's not a matter. Life is not ending. Life is actually, God wants you to be more stronger. It's a beginning of challenge. We have to face many challenges in future, but ultimately I'm a believer, strong believer, that we successfully will sail through this difficult time, and we all would achieve our objectives. This time is not a permanent time, and our scientists are also working. Global scientists are also working, and soon we will have the solutions. But one message beyond this education, I'll say that we must actually learn to live with the minimum and bring the maximum to the world. And we should not be habituated or a slave to the luxurious life. Instead of that, we must think of giving better and best to the world. Each and everybody of us must place and take a resolution that our life should be meaningful life. Our life should not be only we are not here just to consume everything. We are here to, we must be a giver, donor, creator. And each one of you, each one of us is important. We all are soul, a very important and grand soul. We are not here to waste our time in petty things, in quarreling, or suppose in fighting. Instead of that, we should work together for at least bring the best wherever you are, wherever. It doesn't matter whether you are a scientist, doctor, engineer, teacher, professor, or student. God has given you opportunity. Utilize this and enjoy the time. Don't take burdensome. Wherever you are, like suppose you are sitting in your office or at home, so enjoy this time. And like when you go to the bed and sleep, do you know what happening around? No, you sleep, sound sleep. And likewise, professional, maybe professionalism must be there. And second thing, enjoy the whatever task is given to you, and don't worry about the job. See, if job you think that are cut today, some salaried persons are also in trouble because employers have a problem. They can't give you the full salary, and as well as the opportunities are slim as far as the globally you see. But other opportunities will emerge, just like the other job opportunities will come in different form. That's why skilling is the the one type of the education will not serve the purpose. That's why I told you what we are actually working on a prestige, and when we think as a teacher that each and everybody must be skillful. In olden Rishi Parampara system, you would have observed and seen, learned from your seniors that they just wanted to make the individual perfect in all way. Their attitude, their positive attitude, their ability to manage in every situations, their ability to lead the life, and their ability to sticking to the principles of a life. If you are principalistic, if you have a very much clearer about the path of a life, do not deviate from your objectives of a life, mission of a life, vision of a life. See, everything is negligible. Whatever we are wearing, whether we are undergoing a difficult time, always keep one thing in mind, and that is very important. Are we living for purpose? Are we living up to the expectation? Are we pursuing our objectives? They will never let you to distract. You will never be defeated in your life. Nobody can defeat you, because defeat is on the statistics. Defeat is in statistics. I am not here to defeat anybody else. I am not here to conquer over any. Yes, I am here to conquer over my habits. I wanted to be the best creatures on this world. Clear? So that should be the message in our mind, that for whatever purpose we decided in life, we achieve it honestly without disturbing others. So if today we are not seeing any silver lining, but tomorrow there are silver lining, and have a patience and invest this time. What happens is every time you are not actually having the right market share, every time there is no market growth, every time your product is not accepted. Sometimes product mature, sometimes product in initial stage, sometimes every time customer wants innovations and new things, every time they can't get, even from customer perspective, from the manufacturer or product or market perspective. So every time situation is not favorable. That is life. So take this that this is the one of the phase of the life, like in life cycle, and soon the new things will come. The boom will also come, and this gloomy period would be over soon. So important thing is that Gita में कहा गया है, something is told in Gita, the ज्ञानी person, the knowledgeable person, they do not complain to the environment, situations, and the difficult time. In difficult time, they learn, and if I have learned to live with the minimum, again, then definitely I have a capability to enjoy the maximum. And if you are always complaining that I have a less maximum, and you will be pining away and not enjoying life with minimum. So that's the special thing. Scout, NSS, and I think you would have learned this at the school days. that how to make your life, meaningful. So that's a message to all my students and the others, those who are watching. So COVID is not it's not a good period, of course, but it's not that much bad period, because it is here with some message. And those who can imbibe and learn the message, they have a takeaway. And those who are, I will just request them, don't complain. And with our efforts, we will come out of this. And no time is permanent time. Time is always changing. समय गतिशील है, टाइम चेंज होता है, तो व्यक्ति को समय की इज्जत करनी चाहिए. मस्ट ऑनर एंड रिस्पेक्ट द टाइम. नेक्स्ट डे हमारा होगा वापस से, और we all would be smiling and happy.
You have explained so nicely that you have compared with Gita and your present word. Sir, I love the way you explained, you motivate your student. So that's it, sir. Thank you for giving your precious time to us.
Thanks indeed, Kartikeya, and doing a good job. You also must have these type of the interaction with the philosophers, educationists. There are, very good people in this country. They are doing extremely good job, especially educationists. So keep connecting, keep serving society. This is also one of the services, and keep their morale high. So may God bless you all, your team, and collegedunia.com. And you please keep investing good efforts and value in the upgradation and upliftment of the society. Thanks indeed, collegedunia.com, your team, and Kartikeya, especially for you, for your patience and listening to me, because we are teacher. Our job is every time to teach and try to convince. I hope that you definitely would have enjoyed in the others, those who are watching. Thanks indeed. And thanks from behalf of all Prestige family, Prestige Institute of Management and Research, our Prestige Education Foundation, and our management. We are grateful. Good job, and hope that after listening to this message, the public would be encouraged and curious to know more about the Prestige. We welcome you all at Prestige. Thanks indeed.